2.2, the first three terms of an arithmetic sequence are 2k minus 7, k plus 8, and 2k minus 1. So that's going to be term 1, term 2, and term 3. So 2.2.1, calculate the value of the 15th term of the sequence. A relatively basic, straightforward question. So firstly, we need to get our sequence. Like, we need to know what term 1, term 2, and term 3 is. So let's get our first three terms. It's an arithmetic sequence, so we're going to use the formula term 2 minus term 1 is equal to term 3 minus term 2. Some relatively basic theory there. So that's going to be k plus 8 minus, don't forget your bracket, because that negative is going to wreak havoc inside the bracket. All the negatives to positives and positives to negatives. This is going to be 2k minus 1 minus, open a bracket, k plus 8, close the bracket. Okay, it's going to simplify on this side. 2 minus k plus 15 is equal to, on this side, it's just going to be k minus 9. Okay, that's k minus 2k. That's how we get the negative k. Minus 15, that's going to be, positive 15. That's the negative when distributed in gives us a positive 7. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. On this side, 2k minus a k is just going to be k. And minus 1 minus 9. When the negative is distributed in, we get a negative 8. So minus 1 minus 8 is equal to k minus 9. Okay, and we want to isolate our k values. So this positive k on the right-hand side, when we take it over to the left-hand side, it's going to be equal to a negative 2k. Positive 15 on the left-hand side, when we take it over to the right-hand side, it's going to be equal to minus 9 minus 15. Therefore, we're going to have minus 2k is equal to minus 24. Therefore, we can divide both sides by a negative 2. K is equal to a positive 12. Then we can sub in 12 here, here, and here. And it'll give us the first three terms to be 17, 20, and 23. Waitress asked how many bottles. Look, I don't know if you guys were part of that generation, but I was. Hashtag Miley Cyrus. So yeah, this means that our common difference is going to be 3. Therefore, into T15, we can just plug in our values. 17 being our first term, plus 15 minus 1, 3, which was our common difference. 17, that's A. 3, which is D. 15 being the 15th term of the sequence. Plug all that good stuff into your calculator and you get 59. 59. Okay. That's it for 2.2.1. Okay. Please take this down. I'm going to clear the screen now. 2.2.2, calculate the sum of the first 30 even terms of the sequence. So the sequence went 17, 20, 23, and onwards, right? But I'm just going to write it. So 26, 29, 32, and so on. We're going to look at 20, 26, and 32. Why? We want the first 30 even terms of the sequence. So we are going to utilize our arithmetic series formula because it's asking for a sum. So S30 is equal to 30 over 2 because we want the sum of the first 30 even terms. Brackets 2. Our new A value is going to be 20 plus n minus 1. So that's going to be 30 minus 1. And our new common difference is 6. So the difference here, 6. The difference between 32 and 26, also 6. And that's going to be 6. Okay, and we can plug all that good stuff into our calculator and we get 3,210. Easy peasy. This was a level 4 question, was meant to be super difficult. It's a level 4 because, well, you have to create your own sequence and start deducing from there. But yeah, it was doable. And you're smart. I believe in you.